estimation like a dead bear. So Keith gets out his car to find like a stick to poke at it, right? Well, it turns out it's just some lady's fur coat that must have fallen out her car. So,
Una hora después.
hey, free coat, right? Now, owls won't normally attack a man, but in this case they were hungry, and that made them reckless, man. Keith reckons they must have been there for hours watching, but
2 horas después.
because as soon as he picked it up, them owls had claws in him an inch deep. Well, Keith figures his best bet is to jump in a lake, because owls can't swim. Well, them owls could. He fought them for like 20 minutes treading water, and during that time,
3 horas después.
man, sometimes nature's just trying to teach us, if we'd only listen.
You know what I like best about your stories, Alice? The sound they make when they stop.
¿Os he contado cuando el Yayo y yo cogimos el autobús a Memphis para visitar Graceland?
Alice, ¿te parece buen momento?
Vale.
Alice.
Vale.